Yes people, it's your boy Money, come on, and back again with another video. Gonna explain a little bit about this one before we jump right into it, because it's all higger hagger, so yeah.
So yeah, it's a very different video kind of to what you usually see. Xanthe singing in the background.
Xanthe!
But let's just make a point. In this video you're gonna see I am pregnant, quite heavily pregnant. Baby is here. That's because this video was filmed some months ago and we've just been busy and haven't bothered to put it together. But basically this video is us doing a renovation of type. What did you call it? A light refurb.
Light refurb. Not Mary.
No.
I'm just trying a little bit.
Nissy's parents haven't decorated their house in 14 years. And they were mentioning to us that they want to get it done, they didn't have the time, nor energy, nor really probably could be bothered. Hint, hint, Sophie, Nissy, can you help us? And we were like, yeah, can we film it? And so they agreed. They had no say in anything we did.
Yeah, we took over completely, didn't we?
Yeah.
Consult on colour schemes or anything. We're just like, we're gonna do it, don't worry about it.
We were just a bit over the existing.
Thankfully, they loved it, so
yeah.
I'm happy about that.
What was there, as you'll see, was just very dark and dull and just not very inviting. And we wanted to create like a nicer, open, brighter space for our kids now to go and trash. So no, they're very happy with it. You'll also see in the video that it jumps a lot, like we skip a lot of stuff, and that's one partly because we've probably lost the footage from being
filmed it months ago. You'll see even my hair. My hair's grown a lot, man. I'm getting dreads.
We look very different.
We look very different, so you'll see from there.
Yeah.
But yeah, basically it's a two-part video meshed together in one.
Yeah. So
we got a unit that we upscaled. I'm gonna try and get pictures of that. And then we just did live refurb in the living room, and I'll show you before and after pictures of that as well.
Yeah, so forgive us if it's not the most smooth
transition.
And if you're wondering what happened in certain areas,
the
footage is in there.
Figure it out.
But hopefully you enjoy.
Yeah.
We only upcycle this wall, this cupboard thing drawer for my mum, but also upcycle her whole living room. So decorate that as well, so we're going to show you what that looks like, and then I'll take you guys through your journey. It's fun.
So here are the before images. They're not the best quality, but as you can see, it's very just old and outdated, very yellow.
Yeah, like Sahara desert yellow. But yes, we're going to sand this, and then we're going to paint it. Where's the paint? Where's the paint? So you guys can read that. Intense blueberry. That's what we're using to paint. This is what it looks like right now. Oh, Xanthe throwing some stuff. So we're gonna upcycle this for my mum. This is from Home Bargains, £2. And this one's from Wilco's, £2 as well. And the paint was a tenner. You want to paint as well? Yeah? High five. Yeah. Look at that paint. Down. First coat of painting.
Get in there. I'm sharing a roller. Drawers. Shelf and door number 1. And the art is mad. Artist vibes.
We're gonna get the edge creatively.
That's all we need. Just gotta wait for it to dry for a long time. Excuse this state, I can't be able to clean it right now. then we can see all of that. I still need to do the other side of these doors. But we just need this to dry first, so.
Drying our wall clothes right now. We found the handles we needed, but there was only 2 left. Damn. That's the clock we're thinking about.
That one's a bit damaged, so let's try to do this.
The other options. I'm trying to go for one of these big ones. How much are they?
£12.
£12. Not too bad.
It's not bad. Guys, I'm fuming. All in the aid of this freaking video for you guys. This has just smashed my phone up.
It dropped in it.
Got a couple of bits in Wilco's, but we need to go to another Wilco's because for some reason our Wilco's are just crap, and like one has one thing and then the other has something else you need.
2 curtain balls. It's finished. Then we got 3 hooks.
We've got a big window.
Yes.
So hopefully 3's enough. The bits we picked up today.
Yeah.
This isn't everything we need for it, but
We seem to abide brought a human as well.
we gained a human.
Yeah. This one was free. This one here. They insisted that we take this one as well. I don't know why, but it's so fine. Well, yeah, we got a clock here. Got a lampshade for a lamp. We've got curtain pulls and spray paint. We've got a clear, metallic, and white. And then this is just the wall, the paint on the wall. It's called Grey Skies. And then photo frames, sponges, and all the stuff for the wallpapering and the painting of the walls. A couple of handles, double masked up. Welcome to my humble abode. Give me some spray printing. These little pieces here. I want them all to be silver. So to put the same shine on them, we're gonna spray them all the same color. With this metallic spray. Hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes well. Yeah, the science on this one makes no sense. I should be wearing gloves. I don't know why I didn't put gloves on. So now we kind of jumped to my mum and dad's house and we've cracked on by ripping the wallpaper off first and legit chipping away all the parts that I left over. I had to spray it with some, I don't know what it's called, man. But I was taking off the wallpaper. But this part was the longest part, man. My hands were aching, man. Yeah. I don't know who thought this light refurb was a good idea, but it's not. But yeah, man, I'll let you guys watch this. Go. So it's just filling the holes right now because turns out, bloody hell, it's like a bullet scene. Look at that, look at all these holes. For real, man. Don't know what happened here, but yeah, we have to fill all these holes in that. What we getting there? I'm gonna do double layer here. Yeah, because these bullet holes are really deep, man. But yeah, so far this is what it is looking a mess. So after this is done, we've got some, what's it called again, so? Lining paper, which is this. And that's gonna go on these walls here. That wall as well. Not this wall though, because we're gonna actually put the wallpaper on that wall straight away. But yeah, it's just an effort just to try to smooth these lines up because yeah, it's a bit higga-hagga, but Yeah, just try to smooth them up so when we paint it, it looks a bit neater and actually fits in well. So, and then we can start slowly decorating, man. I'm excited for this, but I'll probably do more of the decoration in day 2. We're just getting the nitty and gritty, hopefully painting as well, done today. So after I was done raving it up, you can tell Sophie was not impressed. We're finally putting the lining paper up now. So basically it just gives a smooth surface for the paint to latch onto, and it makes it look all neat and that.
Yeah, so this really was a vital step for us in order to get the best finish from these walls that we could.
Little update. We'll put the, what's it called? What's this called again?
What?
This thing here?
Lining paper.
Lining paper. For the lining paper, I've been joined by my little bro Jeff. So now, look at the wall. It looks so much cleaner compared to what it looked like before. And Soph's just doing the actual wallpaper. We've got a nice pattern for that. I'm just going to crack on with the curtains. Progress. And we've done so much already, so I'm very happy, very happy.
I don't know why I put this shot in. It just looked cool, innit? I do jobs, like I actually do work.
Okay, Bob the Builder. Here's real work happening, me putting up the wallpaper. So satisfying watching this back.
It is day 2 of our little refurb that we're doing. So far, we're painting the walls. And this wall's painted. And the wallpaper's on now. The house is a mess. Sophie's just doing the little edges on top there. And I'm about to trim these little corners. I wanted to do it yesterday, but because of the paste, it was so heavy, I was kind of ripping into it a little bit. Finally, it is complete. We've done the lights refurb, it's been completed. Me and Sophie are exhausted. I'm going to show you how it actually looks from the front camera. Yeah. So you guys can really see how our hard work now has paid off.
There you have it, the finished product. So it's meant to come out grey, but it came out blue.
Yeah, it makes the room look a little bit cold, but I promise it's not. It's really nice and inviting and just fresh. It's what they liked, what they needed. But yeah, so tidied up the cables. In this corner, give them a new unit for storage. Painted the wall, as you see. Nice little gallery wall of their photos. This is the existing lamp. We did spray paint it and get another shade, but it didn't fit, so old one is on. Obviously lovely wallpaper by yours truly. New clock. Yeah, this is just the overall space.
Mom's finally arrived. Time for the big reveal. I bet she's not even gonna smile. She's gonna be like, oh my god. She'll be like, oh, it's nice. They're here. What are you saying, Jeff?
What you say?
Surprise, Mom!
Wow.
Look at your new living room.
Nice, innit?
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? You like it?
Nice.
You okay?
Oh, thank you.
This is complete. It's complete, Mom.
Comment on fait les trucs? Ça reste là. Alors je couche comme ça, je roule.
Little photo gallery that is.
Excuse me.
The baby's coming.
Oh, excuse me là-bas.
Yeah. The baby comes until you grow up.
I do just want to quickly explain what happened. The first half of the video you'll see we're upcycling the unit and then you never see it again. It is in the parents' house, it's just in the hallway, and we didn't think to film it again, but maybe we'll continue the renovation.
Maybe.
You know, through the hallway.
Through the hallway, yeah.
But that was a necessary piece of furniture we needed to give them, because under the stairs they had a really old desk and it just wasn't functional. So now they have functional storage and updated living room. They enjoy it, we enjoy it.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, because we did enjoy it, actually going through the process and stuff like that as well. So yeah, thumbs up in the comments, like, subscribe, all that, you know guys, you guys know what to do.
Let us know if you want to see something like this again.
And yeah, see you in the next video.